Falcons are raptors or birds of prey of the genus Falco, known as the fastest creatures in the world. They have super sharp eyesight and aerodynamic wings that are able to shoot up to over 20 km/h when snatching prey.
Wow, amazing! The falcon is the fastest creature on Earth with super sharp eyesight.
Yes, that's right. Falcon is the fastest species. Peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. Its swooping speed while hunting, or known as Stoop, can penetrate speeds of more than 320 km/h.
How does Falcon hunt with such speed?
The falcon bird hunting technique is different from other birds of prey. The falcon kills its prey using its beak, which has special Tomial tooth teeth, not with its claws.
Killing prey with a special beak called a Tomial tooth. Where can the habitat of falcons be found?
Global habitat. These birds are very resilient and adaptive. They can be found all over the world except on the continent of Antarctica.